Friday night and I'm home in bed. I need some plans, like, and then I'm on my period. Like, I can't even do anything. I was gifted a plant. Look at it, it's so cute and little. Anyways, I left it in the plastic. I'm not sure if you're supposed to take it out. I don't want to make a mess, and besides, like, I'm moving. I don't want to do too much right now. I forgot the name of this plant, but yes, I received my package, and thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. So I got a few things from Amazon. I don't really want to open my box. I feel like I'm literally addicted to, I don't know, shopping. I'm addicted to shopping. I'm addicted to Amazon and Uber. This is everything that I use my money on is Amazon and Uber. Like, I need to uninstall the apps for real. Oh my gosh, so look at one of my packages. This is crazy. It's literally ripped. I did nothing to this bag. I just collected it and threw it to the side. Look at this. There's literally a tear in my bag, and then it went through the second packaging in here. If my outfit is ripped, that's crazy. So it's like I got a lot of things from Birds to Bees. Majority of my bags is Birds to Bees. I got this daily calming lotion. I had this before, so this is my second time buying it, and using it makes my face feel so moisturized and super hydrated. I don't even know if it's like that with or without toner, but I don't know. But when I use this, moisturized all the way, okay? And it has good ingredients too. Simple but effective ingredients, and it worked well for my face. Aloe, this has aloe and rice milk. I got cornstarch in it. Then I got a whole pack of Burt's Bees lip balms, and then I bought this Burt's Bees baby powder. Sometimes I'll be really, like, you know, wet, and this will help keep me dry, so I could just like pat it on me and just feel fresh and not too moist in areas I don't want to be moist in. So, and then I have this right here. This is some birthday cake, vanilla birthday cake philosophy shower gel. I don't know why it's given a whole bakery instructions. Like, I'm not gonna bake a cake with this. Am I supposed to make a cake with this?
No.
來冇冇啊？
I don't know. I feel like every time I get my nails, they're just like, okay, they're not like, oh my gosh, they are the bomb. It's just that I got my nails done. I love the color though, because I'm really in like this taupe kind of vibe. So yeah, I got me like a taupe. I don't know if it's mauve. Is it mauve or taupe? Something between those two. So yeah, I was gonna get a green tea frappe, but I think that's too fat for today. I'm gonna get that like when I go out with someone. So I'm just gonna get like a pizza for today and just call it a day. I have like chocolate milk in the house, so I can just drink that. Yeah, I'm not gonna get a green tea frappe. That's too much. I'm just gonna get pizza, and I'm good for today. So this is what I got to eat. This is like my favorite thing to order from there. This is a barbecue chicken pizza, and this is a right here. This is a spinach spin roll. I forgot what it's called. And then they gave me some little dipping sauce for the little spinner, the spinach spinner thing. I'm gonna eat this and watch me a movie. So yeah, y'all, I'm in bed. It is Friday night and I'm home in bed. I need some plans. Like, I feel like such a lame. I'm really laying in bed. I was thinking about going to the museum because they have like events where you can just listen to artists play. I don't know. I gotta do something, especially I don't know. I gotta do something tomorrow, a whole weekend. Um, but yeah, I'm home. So this is the end of the video because my day is done. Basically, I'm in bed. I might just have an early bedtime, to be honest. Thank you guys so much for watching my 1-day vlog, and I'll catch y'all in the next vlog. Ciao. A bientôt.